Hey everybody, here's a couple new additions to our fleet. We got the old FAs in the back and the newer paint scheme up front here. This A unit and the B unit, they're from Atlas. They're that silver line. I got pictures of both of these units being used in Washington up till 1969. This is the newer paint scheme. I've had this, from 1949 on up to the late 50s paint scheme. So take a look at these. These will be a great addition to those early Burlington Northern trains I like to run. And for the Portland section of the Empire Builders. So the FB runs just fine. The FA is a different story. Same throttle setting, and it stops. And it stops. So he's going to have to go back to model train stuff, and he stops. Hopefully the two Amtrak F40 PHs I got from trains.com will run better. Let's take a look. Okay, so here's the first one, 333, and I think these were pre-owned. There's no pilot. No headlight. He kind of growls a little bit. These were a set, like $259. Not real thrilled. I wanted three really nice Kato F40s to run my 80s, early 90s Amtraks. So here's the second unit, 339. Okay, this is the one that didn't have the pilot. I'd have my readers on. Oh, good. No headlight there either. Fantastic. Well, I guess they can trail my other Kato that the lights actually work. So all in all, a really crappy day up on the Brooklyn sub today. I guess I'll use my Kato with the headlight as always the leader. I wanted to have Katos and relegate those old lifelikes I have and just put them in the background. Not exactly thrilled with my purchases today. I'll send that Alco FA back to model train stuff. It's the two new ones. I know they probably need some laps and all, but I expected something really good right out of the barn. Oh well.